Several years ago, I was invited to teach in the master's writing program, University of North Carolina. And it was a non, no, no, it might have been, I don't even remember, it was a fiction or a nonfiction class. There were about 9 people in the class, young students, older, all different kinds of people, men, women, professionals who'd gone back to school. And I got into class one day and I asked them, let's go around the table and everybody please say the one thing you think you need to be a better writer, but you feel stupid because you think you need it. And it has to be something you feel stupid. And so we go to the first person. The person says, well, this will sound stupid, but no, say it, say it. Well, when I write, I like to close the door and because it helps me feel more private. And my wife is bothered that I close the door because she thinks I'm shutting her out. I know it's stupid. I should open the door, but it just bothers me. Okay, let's go to the next person. Next person is a woman, goes, you know, my husband likes to come in when I'm writing and put a cup of coffee on the table. He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't want to distract me. He doesn't kiss me. He just lovingly puts the coffee on the table, and I want to kill him because it's distracting me, and I hate it. And the third person said, well, this will probably sound stupid, but I want to get rid of the answering machine because when it clicks, I wonder who called, and that gets me out of. Every single person experienced the same thing. And every single person felt stupid because I knew when I gave the assignment that there would be 9 responses where people did not feel legitimate because they didn't want to listen to the invisible guy on their shoulder. And I wanted 9 of them to hear that the other 8 had the same problem. And by having that same problem, made their problem legitimate. And I think when we talk about process, really listening to that invisible man or woman on your shoulder is so key because we don't want to listen to them.